Today, we're creating a unique upside down drone shot mirror effect. It's a cool way to add a surreal artistic twist to your footage. Let's dive in. Start by importing your drone shot of the city to the timeline. Play it back to see how it looks initially. This is your base footage. Now, to add the mirror effect, go to the effects library and search for mirrors. Once you've found the mirrors effect, drag it onto your clip in the timeline. You'll immediately notice the clip is mirrored. Now, to create the upside down effect, go into the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Under the mirror settings, change the angle to -90 degrees. This flips the mirrored version upside down. Next, you'll need to adjust the position of the mirrored clip. The exact value will depend on the composition of your shot, so play around with the X and Y position sliders until the mirror effect lines up just right. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. Adjusting these values will allow you to get the exact look you want. To enhance the effect, change the mirror 1 y-axis value to get the desired split or reflection. This will determine how much of the original shot shows up in the mirror reflection. Play with it until the mirrored shot looks balanced and surreal. And that's it. You've created a stunning upside down drone shot mirror effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more quick editing tips, and let me know in the comments how you're going to use this effect in your own projects.